Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to show you guys the right way on how to engrave these Survivalist tins with your F1 Ultra, and I'm going to show you the wrong way on how to do it as well. So we're going to first talk about the wrong way. So the wrong way is taking your regular image, uploading it straight to xTool software, and then clicking print with the black metal business card settings. That won't work. It turns out looking like this. As you can tell, I know from experience, I forgot to click invert. I know it needed inverted, but I forgot to click it on the first settings and test run. And that's why we always do a test run. We always have a spare option here. So I then reprinted it, inverted. It looks amazing on the back here, just like this one back here. And I knew I had the right settings. So all I used for the settings is black metal business card settings from xTool that's already pre-baked into their software in the top right corner. If that's all you're here for, you can go now. If you want to know the tips about making it shinier, stick around. After that, you have your correct settings and you have it inverted. It looks amazing. It's going to have real dark laser dust on here. You're going to have to get that shiny. You're going to want to use a magic eraser. So just buy any magic eraser or even the off-brand ones and scrub extremely hard, even with it being dry. It doesn't have to be wet. If you want to wet it, you can. I prefer to just do a dry run with a magic eraser over this, and it looks phenomenal. It has a really nice shine to it. And then after that, I did do some more images here. So when you invert an image, some of that detail can go away. So you may have to retouch up an image afterwards. As you can see, the horns here kind of fade off into the distance. And I could clean this up with Photoshop or Illustrator, depending if it's a vector or a PNG image here. And then this one is a real grainy image after it gets inverted. So I'd have to do a lot of work for that one. But I just wanted to test these two images with it too, because I plan on making a lot of these survivalist sets here. Super cheap and inexpensive to make, but you could sell them for a profit really well. These are about 50 cents per tin. You can get them on Amazon in bulk. So if you need the link to this, I'll put my affiliate link down in the description below. If you want to see these engraved and then see the laser dust on it and me removing it, stick around. I've got a bunch of engraving videos of these going. They're only a couple seconds long because the F1 Ultra is super fast. And I'm making this video under the assumption that you have the F1 Ultra. You already know how to click the preset settings for black metal business card in the top right corner. And then let's get into the actual engraving. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.